The morning light spilled through the windows as Bluey bounced onto the couch, eyes wide with curiosity. "Dad, play with us!" she shouted, her tail wagging with energy. Bingo joined in, tugging at his arm. "Come on, Dad, one game!" Her giggles bubbling like little bells of excitement. Dad groaned dramatically, stretching. "Oh no, I'm too tired," his voice filled with fake drama. Bluey crossed her arms. "You're never too tired for fun," her tone playful but determined. He peeked at them with a grin, then leapt up suddenly, roaring like a monster. "Raw!" sending both pups screaming and laughing with pure joy. 5 seconds later, the chase began. Bluey dashed behind the chair. Bingo squealed as Dad pretended to stomp closer. "Where are my pups?" his voice booming with mischief. They tumbled across the rug, shrieking as Dad scooped them up, spinning them in circles until their giggles shook the whole room. Coco and Snickers knocked at the door, hearing the noise. "What's going on?" they asked with wide-eyed curiosity. "Dad's a giant tickle monster," Bluey explained between giggles. The friends jumped in, and soon Dad had 4 pups climbing over him, tails wagging, laughter bursting like fireworks. 10 seconds later, Dad pretended to collapse, groaning. "You've defeated me," sprawling on the floor. The pups cheered, piling on top of him, shouting, "We win!" their voices bright with victory. But suddenly Dad popped back up, tickling everyone at once, the room exploding with shrieks of laughter. Mom peeked in with folded arms, shaking her head but smiling. "Every time I leave, chaos follows," her voice warm with gentle amusement. Dad winked. "That's how memories are made," his eyes twinkling with pride. Bluey hugged him tight, her voice soft. "You're the best dad ever," Bingo echoed. "The funniest too," and Coco added, "and the strongest," while Snickers simply nodded with happiness. As the play settled, the pups curled around Dad on the couch, still giggling softly, their hearts glowing with safety and love. Bluey looked at the camera, her smile big and bright. If our silly time with Dad made you laugh, toss us a like, hit subscribe, and join us for more playful adventure.